excited today because I am on my way to FactoryShop, which is the first startup that will be in this series. For anybody who's into manufacturing, FactoryShop is a network of machine shops, which you'll hear a little bit more about when I go. I am currently waiting for the T train to MIT Kendall area. We are here with FactoryShop, Rika and Tashar. Just a little bit about them. We're here in the MIT Trust Center for Entrepreneurship. They're kind of revolutionizing things for manufacturers and how demand is allocated.
FactoryShop is basically an online platform that helps manufacturers procure custom metal parts quickly. Now the problem in the industry that we're trying to solve is that there's a huge demand mismatch. So on one hand you have machine shops that give you 2 months of lead time, but customers don't want that. They want parts in 2 weeks. So we're trying to partner with smaller machine shops that have free capacity that can drastically reduce the lead time from 2 months to 2 weeks.
Yes, I'm Tushar. I'm the CEO and founder of FactoryShop, and also I'm a second-year MBA student at MIT Sloan.
I'm Rekha. I'm co-founder, head of operations of FactoryShop. In December, I'm graduating a master's in supply chain management.
I'm going to do a quick tour of the MIT Trust Center for Entrepreneurship. Any viewers, especially not in Boston area, this is for you. This is for the nerds out there. But so many people aren't fortunate enough to have a space like that where you can just talk to other startups. You can show you their website and kind of how FactoryShop works and how they create the network of machine shops. So I'll do a little tour of their website. I would be studying in here all day.
When you see them walking, you would be really excited, you know.
Yeah. It's a motivating space. Okay.
FactoryShop website. This is our main value proposition. Get customer metal parts in days at low prices. Now we make it very simple for our customers to get a code. So all they have to do is click on it, and then they can upload their drawing here, and give us their contact details and whatever. Speaking about the benefits that customers get, firstly, we offer 3 kinds of services: CNC machining, sheet metal, and reverse engineering. It's a bit rare for a machine shop to offer all 3. The key benefits that customers get, definitely is the quicker lead time. We are reducing it from 2 months to 2 weeks. Then we absolutely guarantee quality.
How are you ensuring quality with these machine shops?
So before we onboard a machine shop, we carry out a very strict due diligence. We talk to their employees, we inspect their machines, we look at their quality testing equipment, and we take testimonials from their previous customers, and only then do we accept them in our network. Once the machine shop is accepted and they start producing orders, then we have the customers rate the order on 4 different parameters on a scale of 1 to 5. Only the machine shops that produce good quality work get to stay in the FactoryShop network.
We provide codes within 24 hours, and then using a website and an app, we give customers real-time updates on their product. And finally, they don't have to worry about procuring anything. They just have to make one phone call and we'll take care of everything.
I think the most important part of every startup is talking about kind of how they got started and why they chose this problem, why they wanted to fix demand allocation in the manufacturing industry, and why they're passionate about it.
But the idea of FactoryShop was born at my previous job at Procter & Gamble, where I was the operations manager. And there was this one particular instant when a machine that had broken down, and we did not have a spare part in stock. We contacted all our suppliers and they told us the same thing, that we cannot do it before 4 to 6 weeks, which is the standard lead time in the industry. And we were losing thousands of dollars every day. So at that point, I had to go and reach out to machine shops on my own. These kinds of shops did exist, but we couldn't do business with them because they were not in our partner network. My boss was pissed at me, and that's when I realized that there is a huge inefficiency in the machine shop industry. Something has to be done.
I worked as an operations supply chain manager at Tata Motors, and there was a time when customer brought his vehicle for some kind of repair. He required some critical part, which is actually a custom designed one, but unfortunately it was a holiday time and none of our supplies were available. And they were even though the ones which are available, they were demanding a huge money, and they were giving us a 4 to 5 weeks of lead time. I have to visit every machine shop by myself and a couple of supervisors who is working with me. Then finally we figured out, okay, this is the only way, we can satisfy the customer. We went ahead and we took the help of the local machine shops, and we delivered the weight. That moment made us to realize there should be a common platform for all the machine shops. FactoryShop worked in Procter & Gamble, I worked in an automotive company, but we can truly understand the pain of the customers, because it's
across manufacturing.
Yeah, it's the same across all the division. So we're really excited. We thought we're gonna do something really different. Now people are talking about Amazon of everything.
Yep.
We wanted to be on that line.
How many machine shops do you currently have in your network?
Yeah, we have 20 machine shops that we have vetted over time. No matter who you are, if you're a student that wants to get quicker parts for your academic project, if you're a design engineer that's working on a prototype, if you are a device development firm that wants to accelerate the lead time you give your customers, then
FactoryShopUSA.com. And if you like learning about Factory Shop, please like and subscribe to TREPI. See you soon.